In today's video, I will teach you how to create and use collections in Lightroom. Let's get started. Collections in Lightroom are a powerful way to organize and manage your photos without duplicating them. They allow you to group photos based on specific criteria or projects, making it easier to find and work with related images. And here's how to do it. First, we're going to create a collection. Start by selecting the library module in Lightroom. On the left side of the screen, locate the Collections panel. If it's not visible, you can enable it by going to Window, Panels, then Collections. Then click the plus icon at the top of the Collections panel and select Create Collection. In the dialog box, you can name your collection, and you can also choose a set where you want the collection to be placed. This part is optional. Now check any relevant options, such as including selected photos to automatically add current selected photos to the collection, or make virtual copies if you want to create virtual copies for the edits, or set as target collection, which is useful for quick adding later. Now click Create, and your new collection will appear in the Collections panel. Now we're going to add photos to the collection. In the Library or Develop module, select the photos that you want to add. Then drag the selected photos onto the desired collection in the Collections panel. You can also use Smart Collections. Smart Collections automatically organizes photos based on predefined criteria. To do this, simply click the plus icon in the Collections panel and select Create Smart Collection. In the dialog box, set the rules for the Smart Collection. For example, you can filter photos by rating, keywords, capture date, and file type. Then name the Smart Collection and click Create. Then Lightroom will automatically populate the collection with photos that meet the criteria. To rename or delete a collection, simply right-click on it and choose Rename or Delete. Deleting a collection doesn't remove the photos from the catalog, just the collection itself. And you can organize collections into sets by dragging one collection onto another to nest it, or by creating a new collection set from the plus menu. Collections in Lightroom streamline your workflow by helping you organize and manage your photos efficiently. Whether you're using regular collections for manual organization or smart collections for automated grouping, they're an essential tool for keeping your photo library structured and easy to navigate. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.